Welcome to Best-Selling Auto Products Review, where we dive into the latest and greatest automotive essentials to keep your ride running smoothly. Join us as we explore top-rated gear, share expert insights, and help you make informed decisions for your automotive needs. Get ready to rev up your knowledge and discover the best in auto gear. Let's hit the road together. Number 5. Ticarce Cleaning Gel. First up, let's talk about how perfect this cleaning putty is for your car. Its unique texture allows it to get into all those nooks and crannies, picking up dust, debris, crumbs, and even pet hair with ease. Say goodbye to those pesky particles that seem impossible to reach. But it's not just for cars. This cleaning gel is incredibly versatile. You can use it to clean keyboards, printers, cell phones, calculators, TV remotes, and even furniture. It's like a magic eraser for all your cleaning needs. One of the best things about this gel putty is how easy it is to use. Simply press it into the cracks and crevices and watch as it sticks to the dirt and debris. Then, just pull it out slowly and voila! Your surfaces are clean as a whistle. With its high-tech material and delightful magnolia flower scent, cleaning has never been easier or more enjoyable. Plus, it leaves no residue behind, so you can enjoy spotless surfaces every time. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to dirt and debris in your car and around your home, give the Magnolia Flower Aroma Cleaning Gel Putty a try. For current price, please check the link in the description box. Number 4. FRAM Ultra Synthetic Automotive Replacement Oil Filter. One of the standout features of the FRAM Ultra Synthetic Oil Filter is its easy installation process. With the SureGrip non-slip surface, you can say goodbye to slippery mess-ups during installation. Whether you're a seasoned DIYer or a beginner, this filter is designed for hassle-free installation. Just screw the new filter on until the gasket reaches base contact and tighten it securely. Now, let's talk about durability and filtration efficiency. Unlike standard oil filters, the FRAM Ultra Synthetic boasts a dual-layer construction that provides over 99% filtration efficiency. The pleated media design ensures that all kinds of dirt and exhaust are effectively trapped, resulting in a cleaner output and better engine performance. Engine protection is paramount, and that's where the FRAM Ultra Synthetic truly shines. Equipped with a slick silicone anti-drainback valve, this filter delivers superior startup protection by preventing dry starts and maintaining oil flow during engine shutdown. With up to 3 times the hot oil resistance, you can trust that your engine is in good hands. Last but not least, let's talk about mileage capability. The FRAM Ultra Synthetic is designed to go the distance, offering proven protection for up to 20,000 miles. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, you can rely on this filter to keep your engine running smoothly mile after mile. In conclusion, the FRAM Ultra Synthetic Engine Oil Filter is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to optimize their vehicle's performance and longevity. With its easy installation, superior engine protection, and impressive mileage capability, it's a must-have for car owners everywhere. For current price, please check the link in the description box. Number 3. Ticarce Car Trunk Organizer for SUV. First up, let's talk about the construction of this organizer. It's made from high-quality 600D waterproof material, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. The dimensions are 22 inches in length, 12.5 inches in width, and 10.75 inches in height, with a spacious capacity of about 50 liters. The design is sleek and compact, with integrated cutting and sewing processes giving it a 3-dimensional appearance that's both durable and wear-resistant. One of the best things about this organizer is its versatility. Whether you drive a car, SUV, or truck, it's designed to meet the needs of organizing and storing items in various life scenarios. Not only does it serve as a car storage organizer, but it can also double up as a storage box for daily life. From books and clothing to tools and office papers, this organizer has got you covered. Now, let's talk about how practical this organizer is in everyday use. Say goodbye to a cluttered trunk where items roll around every time you take a turn. With this organizer, everything stays neatly in place, making it perfect for storing groceries, sports equipment, tools, and more. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can easily carry it between your car and home. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up our comprehensive review of the car trunk organizer. If you're ready to take control of your trunk space and say goodbye to clutter, be sure to check out this organizer for yourself. For current price, please check the link in the description box. Number 2. Vankor Car Trash Can for Car Cute. First things first, let's talk about how this trash can make your life easier. The Vankor Car Trash Can comes with an adjustable strap, allowing you to hang it on the gear shift, glove box, headrest, or anywhere else you find convenient. And it's not just for trash. With 3 outer pouch pockets, you can store tissues, wipes, snacks, and other essentials right at your fingertips. Now, let's take a closer look at the design of the Vankor Car Trash Can. It's equipped with 2 side clasps to keep disposable bags securely in place, preventing any accidental spills while you're on the road. With a generous 2.5-gallon capacity, you'll have plenty of space to store trash or other items. Plus, the leak-proof PVA lining makes cleanup a breeze, and the elastic soft rubber opening ensures easy disposal without any mess. Whether you drive a sedan, SUV, RV, truck, van, or even a boat, the Vankor Car Trash Can is designed to fit seamlessly into any vehicle. Its sturdy and durable construction ensures it can withstand daily use and last for the long haul. And when you're not using it, simply fold it up to save space. It's the perfect solution for keeping your car neat and organized wherever you go. In conclusion, the Vankor Car Trash Can is a game-changer for anyone who wants to maintain a clean and clutter-free car interior. Say goodbye to messy cars and hello to convenience with this handy accessory. For current price, please check the link in the description box. Number 1. JOYROOM Motorcycle Phone Mount. The standout feature of this motorcycle phone mount is its upgraded auto-lock button. With 4 arms that automatically lock your phone with just a click, you can enjoy real one-hand operation. And thanks to the solid inner mechanism, you won't have to worry about the lock button getting stuck, even after 3,000+ presses. For added security, this mount is equipped with a high-speed lock switch. You can double lock your phone when riding on bumpy roads, ensuring it stays securely in place even at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. Say goodbye to the worry of your phone vibrating loose. To ensure long-term durability, the mount features an upgraded robust ball part made of military-grade A+ material. This high-tenacity ball part effectively solves the problem of snapping off, giving you peace of mind during your rides. The versatility of this mount is unmatched. It's compatible with handlebars ranging from 0.7 inches to 1.34 inches, making it suitable for motorcycles, ATVs, scooters, strollers, and more. And it can hold phones from 4.7 inches to 7 inches, with a case thickness of up to 0.71 inches. Just keep in mind that iPhone 13 Pro Max with an OtterBox case is not compatible. In conclusion, the latest motorcycle phone mount with upgraded auto-lock button is a game-changer for riders who value convenience, security, and durability. Say goodbye to flimsy mounts and hello to worry-free rides. For current price, please check the link in the description box. Thanks for tuning in to Best-Selling Auto Products Review. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews of top-notch automotive gear. Remember, staying informed leads to smarter purchases. Until next time, drive safe and keep exploring the best products for your ride.